So the Texas law was effective July 1st, the Texas Data Privacy and Security Act. Three things I thought were pretty cool about that law. Firstly, it had all the rights that you see in every other privacy law we've seen across the US. The right to access data that a company has on you, the right to correct that data, the right to delete personal data that you have. Also, we're seeing kind of some of this backlash or opinion on targeted advertising and the idea that you should be able to opt out of that. That was in there. Pretty common. What was interesting about Texas there is that if your data is used to profile you in certain sensitive categories, so for example, financial and lending services, housing, education, employment, you can opt out of that as well. And I thought that was a pretty good move. And then lastly, look, red states get kind of criticized sometimes that their privacy laws are kind of diluted. I didn't necessarily think that about Texas. But what they did have in there is a provision for small businesses to be exempt, and the definition they're using in Texas is the federal government's Small Business Administration exemption, or definition for small and medium business, and I thought that was a useful compromise. So we're happy that Texans have this protection. I think the Texas law is pretty robust, and the Texas AG, you can see, starting to make some moves.